Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can take good product photos for your Shopify store. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna tell you. So firstly, we're gonna see an example. As you can see guys, this is a very good example of what a good product photo looks like. So basically guys, you need to follow these steps. So the first step is the equipment. You need to grab your camera or tripod and find a good lighting because lighting is the most important things in photos. Or you can get a natural lighting or softbox. And the second step is to clean the neutral backdrop, minimal props, and done. Step 3 is to show off your products in the best side. Try to find the best angle for your product. After that, adjust the ISO and shutter speed for exposure. And then you need to focus on the products. Manually is the best way for the best sharpness. Get the white balance right. After that, you need to take multiple shots to choose the best picture in the end. Then, after taking the picture, you need to go and edit it with the software, retouch as needed, and you can change a little bit the colors for a better picture. And there you have it. Quick, effective product photography for your Shopify success. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.